Looking to buy the best smart doorbells this year? You're in the right place. And all product links are in the description below. If this is your first time here, hit the subscribe button and ring the bell icon for more videos like this that will help you make better buying decisions. You can also sign up for our email list to receive the best tech deals from over 200 retailers weekly. Now, let's go to the list. Number 5. Emoto Greet. Monitor your home and who comes and goes with the Emoto Greet. When motion is detected, you'll receive a notification through the app. When someone rings the doorbell, your phone will ring to let you know. Choose whether you'd like to watch live footage, record footage on the 8 GB memory card, or upload video to the cloud for later use. The Emoto Greet is about $50 cheaper than similar models and does just as much. Just hardwire this smart doorbell into your existing doorbell, then connect to Wi-Fi and let the doorbell do the rest. When someone rings the doorbell, you'll receive a call. This could become annoying though, rather than a typical push notification. With this smart doorbell, you also get a push notification feature. The smart doorbell saves the videos on the 8 GB internal memory card or upload it to the cloud. The Emoto Greet has 720p resolution, which isn't bad, but others have higher definition. Number 4. August Doorbell Camera. August Doorbell Camera was praised by Fortune magazine as the best doorbell. Considering the fact that it offers motion sensing alerts, video recording options, on-demand viewing, and more, we agree that it's up there. The installation of the August doorbell camera is a little more intensive and requires mounting brackets and a drill, but it'll be worth the effort for the amount of security it adds to your home. This connects with the August Smart Lock, so you can lock and unlock your door depending on who's knocking. This doorbell saves footage, so you can watch recordings if you miss live video. You can also talk to whoever's at the door or listen to what's happening. And when your device senses motion, it'll send an update to your smartphone. Number 3. Vivint Doorbell Camera. Vivint is a top home security company with a lot of gadgets to keep you safe. When you buy either the Smart Protect and Control or Smart Complete Security package, you can make use of the company's high-tech doorbell. The way it works is similar to other models. It starts recording video when it senses motion or someone rings the bell. The system permits real-time viewing through the mobile app or your Vivint in-home control panel, and also stores clips for later viewing through the company's Space Monkey local cloud storage device. Like Ring and SkyBell, the Vivint Video Doorbell also offers two-way audio via Wi-Fi. You can only use this smart doorbell with a Vivint Smart Home Monitoring package, but when you do, it offers a bevy of security customizations. When you have a Vivint Smart Door Lock and Smart Doorbell, you can see who's visiting your home and let them in remotely. You don't have to worry about the ease of installation because your Vivint representative will install the doorbell as part of your smart home system. Number 2. SkyBell HD Wi-Fi enabled video doorbell. The SkyBell Video Doorbell offers a ton of options. You can watch live video anytime and take a snapshot if you want to. While the SkyBell HD Wi-Fi enabled video doorbell doesn't have cloud storage, you can download videos from the device itself. This smart doorbell is tasked with helping keep you safe, and the company has taken a step above that by guaranteeing replacement if your smart doorbell is stolen. The SkyBell Video Doorbell is hardwired into your home, so you won't need to replace batteries or worry about them expiring. Every video is recorded and users can watch the videos later or download them. This service is free, while some competitors charge a fee for this. This smart doorbell records in 1080p HD and has a 5x zoom. Installing SkyBell tends to be more challenging since a doorbell can only be hardwired into an existing connection. Homeowners with a digital doorbell will need to purchase an adapter. The SkyBell also won't work with existing intercom-style doorbell wires, and if you don't have an existing doorbell, you'll need a professional to wire one into your home before installing SkyBell. With this smart doorbell, you can stream video through the mobile app that's available for Android and iOS devices. You also get a regular push notification when the motion sensor has been triggered or the doorbell has been rung. Number 1. Ring Doorbell. Ring is the successor to Doorbot, a Kickstarter project that represented one of the first smart doorbells on the market. Since its creation, Ring has put out another, newer model, Ring Video Doorbell Pro, covered below. However, the original Ring Video Doorbell has a lot to offer, from motion sensing capabilities, video recording, two-way audio, and more. For $30 a year, you can store doorbell video footage on the cloud. Ring Video Doorbell has a 180-degree range of motion to better sense if someone is approaching your home. And once it detects motion, it'll start recording and send an alert to your iOS or Android phone. It'll also allow you to set zones around your home you'd like to record. This adds greater security and accuracy to its motion sensing capabilities. With the Ring Doorbell, you will be able to see who's at your door, even in the dark, with its night vision. You can also check out our other videos on the best smart devices to buy in 2019.